economy of sales. Everyone makes cutting boards. Buyers have seen them 1,000 times, and when something feels common, it feels cheap. Stop making cutting boards because people don't buy wood, they buy relief. They buy the feeling of a problem going away. A cutting board doesn't remove pain. It doesn't stop frustration. It doesn't fix a daily annoyance. It just sits there. Useful, yes. Exciting? No. Think about how people actually live. Keys disappear. Shoes pile up. Walls feel empty. Small spaces feel smaller than they should. When someone sees a wall organizer that keeps keys, bags, and mail in one place, they don't think about price first. They think, I need that. That reaction is what sells. Not craftsmanship, not wood species, urgency. Stop making cutting boards. These sell way faster when the value is obvious in 2 seconds. If someone has to think, compare, or ask questions, the sale slows down. A floating shelf that turns dead wall space into storage doesn't need an explanation. A bench by the door that gives people a place to sit and put on shoes doesn't need convincing. The benefit is clear, and clarity creates speed. Cutting boards are like selling plain coffee mugs. The buyer already has 3. They'll only buy another if it's cheaper or different enough to stand out. Now compare that to selling a solution. A small entryway rack isn't a nice-to-have. It becomes part of daily life. That's why it sells faster and at higher prices.
Stop making cutting boards. These sell way faster because they feel personal. A piece that fits a specific space, a name carved into it, a size that solves a real layout problem. Personal products feel intentional, not mass-made. And when something feels made for someone, they stop shopping around. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Build for buyers, not for other woodworkers. Other makers admire clean edges and perfect grain. Buyers care about how their home feels after the product is installed. Less mess, more order, more pride. When you build for that outcome, selling becomes natural. If you want a clear path instead of guessing, there's a product linked in the description that shows exactly what to build, why it sells, and how to present it so buyers instantly get it. If you're tired of making great things that don't move, that link is worth your time. Stop making cutting boards. These sell way faster when your product can be explained in one short sentence. This keeps your keys in one place. This turns empty wall space into storage. This makes small homes feel bigger. Simple words, clear benefit, fast decision. This doesn't mean cutting boards are useless. It means they shouldn't be your main offer. They work better as add-ons, gifts, or bonuses. Let your core products be the ones that solve visible problems and create instant desire. This is how woodworking turns from a hobby that drains energy into a business that pays you back. Fewer mistings, less competition, higher prices, faster sales, smarter work. If this clicked, hit like so more makers hear it. Drop a comment with the product you're thinking of making next, and subscribe if you want more straight, practical advice on building woodworking products that actually sell.